Tov, לצערי, I'm going to speak in English, although for me to say concluding word would have been much more natural in Hebrew, but also for the people here, and also I know some people abroad on the East Coast and the West Coast are watching, friends from other days. So it's going to be very short, believe me. I know everybody's tired. In 1961, I was studying at Brandeis, and there was a friend of mine who came to stay in Waltham, near Boston, and she didn't have a driver license. So she asked somebody, who actually was the wife of the physicist Gideon Karmi, who is not with us anymore. Maybe some people know his name. She asked him this guy to drive him to meet me. I remember very clearly the lobby of the dormitory where I stood and where my friend Tamar stood and where the driver stood. And what I see is this guy with an oversized jacket with a papillon, which was totally ridiculous and cute at the same time. And at the same time, I was really dozing and trying to remember what I felt, what I saw at the moment. I was hit by something that emanated from him, by his presence, that is really hard to describe in words, but I felt some shyness that was mixed with a sense of inner confidence. I felt some naivete. I felt the generosity and the kindness, and maybe one can say the elegance of spirit. I really was trying to see what it was there. But anyway, it took me a few minutes to decide I want this man to be my husband. The true story. And you can imagine that the driver was Yakir. Okay. The poor guy. He's looking at me. Very accusingly he's looking at me. That's terrible. Okay. Okay. I think I wasn't wrong at the moment. Yakir has been consistently sure of the importance of what he's doing, but at the same time, he remained in some way shy. I look at the picture when he gets the prize from Obama, he is not really looking into his eyes. He's shy. He's still shy. Nili Cohen, who was the president of this place, of the academy, she congratulated Yakir, and she wrote, "Ishiyut korenet umelabevet," which I translated into English as a radiant and endearing personality. And that I believe he still has. I had to coach about his naivete a little bit, but it's still somewhere there, needs to be coached. But the only time that he's not generous and kind is when he hits a problem in physics that he thought he solved, and then he realized that there is a flow. At that time, one needs to be a little away from him till he breathes, and then I can breathe along with him. Okay, what I want to say is, to sum up, it seems that I was not wrong at that time at the dormitory at Brandeis. I don't know how come. I had exciting and a rewarding 60-plus years. Side by side with this funny guy in the oversized jacket and the papillon. Thank you.